Guys, it's Mr. Tech Guy, and today I'm back with a DIY mod for the PUBG players. And today I'm going to be showing you a mod which can be made at home, and you can easily it will be working on any phone which can run PUBG obviously. So let's start with the video. So first things you're gonna need is I have prepared it like this. So you have to just do in a certain way that you have to keep this portion as much as circular as the size of the button which you are going to be making it for the shoulder button. So I'm gonna make it for the fire button, so it will be probably at this size, and we're gonna narrow the upper portion like this, and then we'll take the phone and just you have to just priorly locate it where you want. So I'm gonna need it here, so I'll just take this tag, and find the tags. I'm fitting the tags. I'll just install it like this. Make sure the tag is not too much tight for the phone, or it will start damaging the phone. So just make sure that the tag is on the button or the area which is going to be used as button. So like this. And we'll put this button over here so that I can use it like this. So let's start the game. I'll just start my game and we'll be back with you. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the game right now. As you can see, I'm moving, and whenever I press my shoulder button, the character in the game starts acting. So you can see whenever I am tapping this, as you can see, the character is acting, and the touch button which I have configured. So I'm gonna show you how to configure it. So just go to the settings of the game, go to this is typically for the PUBG game. So go to the controllers, go to customize, and you're just gonna select this button. I'll just remove this so you can see it properly. This button, as you can see, this button. So I have increased its size to maximum and placed it here at the corner of the screen so that I can customize it over here by this touch tag made up of aluminum foil. So this was the mod. So this is it guys, I played my PUBG on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. You can watch the unboxing of that phone right here. And if the video worked for you, also do like my video, do subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This is me, Mr. Tech Guy, signing off. Peace out. Hey guys, so this is a mess. This is a mess. Total mess. So I'm gonna start cleaning it because one of the subscriber got angry last time for the unboxing video of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. Actually, this is shot on Asus Zenfone Max Pro, and we're now gonna clean it.